So Floyd and Mama enjoying a snack. They just can't seem to get enough. She absolutely loves that cream pie. Mama, you're gonna get her all fucking spun out.
She'll be all stopped taking out.
Well, here's a good day. I love yous.